Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. Coming up in BL tonight, we're going to kick it off talking about Mayberry Jamaican Equities, updating net asset value, pulling back a little bit here, but it's had quite the run. MJE, that's a ticker symbol, advisory that as at April 27th of this year, the net asset value, that's a NAV, don't mix it up with the market price, it was $17.54 per share. What a move. This is coming from 10, 11, 12, when as high as 19 and change. So a little bit of a pullback here, but a big time run for the net asset value. Blue Power Group Limited, ticker symbol BPOW. Amendment to companies' Articles of Association. They had that extraordinary general meeting, the EGM, May 2nd earlier this week, and it was highly successful. The resolution to amend the company's articles was done, dusted, very successful. They're going to go from 8 directors up to 10 directors overall. That was a done deal. Next up tonight, we got Seprod Limited, acquisition here of leading consumer products distributor in Trinidad. Talk about the deal here so far for 2022. This is big time here for Seprod, Pandui and team doing a big transaction. They've reached an agreement to acquire A.S. Bryden and Sons Holdings in Trinidad and Tobago. I mean, this is a company that's doing in Trinidad, you know, Hennessy, Moe, all of that jazz and good stuff. We'll see what that means. The bottom line is the press release stated that the combined companies together should do something like 500 million US or more once they're put together and combined to be a leading integrating manufacturing and distribution group in the Caribbean. Now, the deal is subject to regulatory approvals, other customary closing conditions, but the deal should happen, or the transaction is expected to be closed by May 31st of this year. Now, the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the JSE, the all-conquering, the annual report for 2021 is published. It's out, jamstockx.com. You can go there yourself, and it's under the theme, we like this on Business Live, positioning capital for growth, facilitating, mobilizing, and expanding. It's a good read, and of course, a benchmark for our economy in Jamaica. Last up tonight, we're seeing this across the board, G7 countries, countries across the globe. Interest rates, inflation, hand in hand here. The Bank of England, central bank there, hiking interest rates to a 13-year high overall. The base interest rate still seems low, but the increases have been huge. Base interest rate in England now actually 1%. So it was a 0.25% hike on a 6-3 majority vote, but some members, when you look at those minutes, the notes actually wanted a 0.5% rate increase. This is a trend. Now, they actually stated that they see inflation hitting as high as 10%, impacting all of us. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.